Foldable phones are all the hype these days. More and more companies are jumping into the concept. The foldable phone market is dominated by Samsung, but slowly more smartphone brands are making room for them. Xiaomi entered the segment with the Mi Mix Fold. The Chinese company will follow it up with the Mix Fold 2 this year, and a new report sheds some light on what the upcoming foldable will look like. There have been many rumors and speculations flying around regarding the Mix Fold 2. However, a recent report by XDA finally gives us the first glimpse of Xiaomi's next foldable. Kacper Skrzypek, a senior XDA member, discovered images of the Mi Mix Fold successor within the latest MIUI China builds. The image does not provide much insight, except the outline of the phone and camera placement. It can be seen that the camera bump on the back of the phone is a square with rounded corners, unlike the rectangular bump of Mi Mix Fold. The inner display is clean and does not have any camera cutout. The handset can be seen to have a punch-hole camera in the center of the external display. Skrzypek also shared that the foldable phone is codenamed Zizhan. The MIUI code further reveals Zizhan will have the same display as Yumi, codename for the Mi 10, which means Mi Mix Fold 2 may come out with a Super AMOLED display carrying support for 90Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. Previous leaks suggest that the device will have an improved crease and could be powered by TSMC-made Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus. Mix Fold 2 is likely to have an internal screen size of 8 inches and a cover display size of 6.5 inches. What do you think about these rumors about the new Xiaomi foldable phone model Mix Fold 2? Let's discuss some questions in the comments below. In addition, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and put your finger up. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.